Walang sound, sorry. Joke lang yun. Hi, my name is ErrenTV and welcome to my channel at last. So, this is actually my first ever content and I hope that you can support me. I know that you will support me. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I don't know which side. And notification bell so whenever I upload content, you're gonna be notified. Telling you what are the best applications for photo editing in 2020, at least for me, and how to improve your Instagram story. Alright, so let's go. So the first one is, it's called Lightroom. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys already know Lightroom. So there's a reason why a lot of people are using Lightroom. Kasi si Lightroom, it's really basic. Basic. And kahit basic siya na gamitin for photo editing, ang laki nang naitutulong niya, at least for me, whenever I edit my photos. Actually, 80 to 90% of my photos, actually, not really, 100% all the time rather, all the time. Whenever I upload photos na gusto ko talagang i-edit, it's really gonna go through Lightroom. It never goes to a different application first. It all has to go through Lightroom first. So, I edit my photos to Lightroom. So, kung naganda kay Lightroom is that, unlike VSCO, I'm not gonna recommend VSCO. Although, if you want VSCO, you can check that out. But I'm not gonna recommend VSCO because, unlike VSCO, si VSCO kasi, nanggaling rin ako dun before, heavily filtered si VSCO. And I don't like heavily filtered photos. So, meaning, alam mo yun, so parang ang dami mong filter na ipapatong sa photos mo to have that specific vibe or mood that you want. Like, it's called the preset. Alright? And I don't like that anymore. Kasi, na-realize ko lang na hindi talaga siya, for me, hindi siya pleasing tignan. And, I don't know, hindi siya easy tignan sa mata. So, with Lightroom, you have this option where you can have your own preset, you can create your own preset. I believe that you can also buy your preset, but you can buy your presets online, for a cheap price. But you don't have to do that. I'll let you know, or I'll tell you how to do your own preset in the next content, okay? And with the other applications as well. So with Lightroom, pinaganda niya, it's basic and you can create your own presets. It has the crop, ang finished product ng Lightroom photos mo, pag na-render na siya ay it's cleaner, it's easy sa eyes, and maganda lang siyang tignan basically. Basta ang rule of thumb when you're taking photos ay kailangan maganda talaga yung raw photos mo. It has to be clear. It's up to you kung anong vibe ng Instagram mo, but it has to be clear so that when you apply filters or when you apply photo editing stuff on that raw file, maganda pa rin siya pag in-edit. Kasi kapag pangit yung raw photos mo using your regular cam, hindi magandang tignan. Pangalawa, pag in-edit mo yun, pag nilagyan mo ng filter yon or pag in-edit mo pa yon, magbe-blurred siya or what you call magpipixelate siya or pixelated. Alright? So, that's Lightroom. And Lightroom is my number one suggestion that you use for photo editing. The next one is called PixArt. So, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you use PixArt. So, ang kinaganda kay PixArt is that meron na siyang effects. So, isipin mo, para siyang VSCO, para siyang Lightroom. So, all-in-one si PixArt. However, I don't use PixArt. Ang kinaganda lang kay PixArt ay if you want to have clear skin, okay, like Facetune, you would actually see in my mga zits pa ako and acne marks. But if you'd like to have a photo and you'd like to upload one na parang, ay, ang kinis mo, stuff like that. That's my secret. I use that to blur. I use that to remove my blemishes a lot. But my skin. Look, I mean, like, my skin. I don't have to edit a lot. I mean, like, this. You see this?
Wow!
You see it? You see it? Alright. So with PixArt, yun yung ginagamit ko. Ginagamit ko siya pang doktor ng mukha. So yun yun, basically. And may mga other stuff ka pang gustong gawin kay PixArt. Meron siyang distort, pop art. So usually, yun lang naman yung ginagamit ko kay PixArt. Wala nang iba. The next application that I use, it's called Snow. Okay, so etong kinaganda kay Snow. Gusto ko yung filter kay Snow. Alright, magaganda ang filter ni Snow. Tapos, ang kinaganda kay Snow, may isa siyang feature na you can add GIFs, you can also crop yourself. So for example, if you take selfies like this, so yung background mo mawawala and everything automatically. Hindi mo na kailangan i-edit ang one by one to brush it. So automatic siya kasi gumagamit si Snow ng artificial intelligence. I don't know what you call it, but you can comment down below what you think. So yun yung ginagamit ni Snow. How to improve your Instagram stories. I think ito yung next application na i-recommend ko. Feeling ko marami na atang makakaalam. It's called Unfold. Pero kasi ang kinaganda kay Unfold, it gives you this classic when less is more kind of Instagram story. So bibigyan ka ni Unfold ng template. Meron kang options to combine 3, 4, 5, it's up to you, or up to 9 photos. Na kinaganda nun is, nakaayos siya. And then you can also change the background or the backdrop or the color of your whole frame. It's up to you. So, ganun yung ginagamit ko madalas. Kasi, for me, mas maganda siya ng tignan, mas malinis. I really prefer the basic color or basic templates lang. Ayoko lang talaga ng masyadong magulo. So, yun yung ginagamit ko. But you should really consider it when you're uploading like your selfies, landscape photographies, a lot of things, food, andun yun. The last one, it's called Mojo. So it's M-O-J-O. Like Mojo Jojo. But just Mojo, M-O-J-O. So if you have been my friend, you would see me how I greet my friends. Sorry, nag-burp ako. You would see me how I greet my friends. So, feeling ko na-expect ata ng mga friends ko na whenever I upload my messages to them, like happy birthday messages or congratulatory messages and stuff, I always use animations from Mojo. So, kay Mojo ganito ang yan. Mojo, ang kinaganda is animated yung template. Ang kinaganda niya, you could add music, you could have different templates, and then for me, maganda pa rin siyang templates kahit na medyo gumagalaw-galaw siya or animation. It's really good for business or for entrepreneurs, especially now. Kasi I've noticed there's an influx of online businesses. So, if you would like to present your products na parang convincing or easy to, easy sa mata, parang ang dating is professional and digital art or something like that, you should use Mojo. And I promise sa next content ko, I'll show you how I use it and how you can present your product that way. But, so much for my first ever vlog. I don't want to take so much of your time. Again, I hope that you could support me and you can share my videos to your friends and stuff. So I'll try to upload several times per week or in the future. I am not yet sure, but yeah, I really want to say thank you for the growing support for my channel. I've seen a lot of you are following me already. So if you're new with this channel, I promise you, I will get there. And one last thing, always support your friends, always support your family members, and most importantly, your mental health matters. Okay? Alright, so see you next vlog or content. Bye.